dual spindle milling machine in excellent working condition. The make of the machine is Värnamo, Sweden. You can see the condition of the machine. Its model is FUV2 and it's made in Sweden. Vertical spindle taper is ISO 40 and the horizontal is ISO 50. It is equipped with 1-axis DRO. इसकी जो DRO की monitor है वो 3 axis है, but the scale is fitted on only y-axis. That is for the cross travel. Its table size is 1500 by 300 mm. You can see the condition. This table can be rotated, as you can see. Its vertical head is double swivel type. It can be rotated from here also. From here also. ठीक है. Show me longitudinal travel in feet. Working of longitudinal travel in feet. Zoom in rapid. Okay. Change the direction in feed. ये reverse the direction in feed. अब धीरे धीरे पूरा फीड में लेफ्ट से राइट की तरफ जा रहा है. Zoom in rapid. Okay. Now show me cross travel in feed. Working of cross travel in feed. Working of its DRO reading. Change the direction in feed. They reverse the direction. Okay, now show me in rapid. Change the direction. वापिस आगे की तरफ ले लो. Now show me vertical travel in feet. Working of vertical travel in feet. फीड में धीरे धीरे पूरा ऊपर की तरफ आ रहा है. ठीक है. Show me in rapid. Okay. Change the direction in feed. फीड में पूरा नीचे धीरे धीरे नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है पूरा. Okay. Show me in rapid. ठीक है, रोक दो. Now I'll say different feed rates of travel. Currently अभी हमने इसकी मिनिमम फीड रेट में सेट कर दिया है. Working at its slow feed rate. ठीक है, इसकी फीड रेट की स्पीड बढ़ा दो. We have increased the feed rate speed. और थोड़ी सी तेज कर दो. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम कर दो. Working at its maximum feed rate. डायरेक्शन चेंज कर दो. ठीक है. Now we'll see different spindle speeds for the vertical spindle. Currently अभी हमने इसकी minimum speed पर सेट कर दिया है. That is 110 rotations per minute. And the high is 2400 rotations per minute. Currently working at its minimum speed, that is 110 rotations. ठीक है, इसको स्पिंडल की स्पीड तेज कर दो. We have increased the spindle speed to 410 rotations per minute. ठीक है, और थोड़ी सी तेज कर दो. We have increased the spindle speed to 990 rotations per minute. ठीक है, इसकी मैक्सिमम कर दो. Working of spindle at its maximum speed, that is 2400 rotations per minute. ठीक है, रोक दो. Now we'll see different spindle speeds for the horizontal spindle. Currently अभी हमने इसकी minimum speed पर सेट कर दिया है. That is 40 rotations and the high is 1800 rotations. Currently working at 40 RPM. ठीक है, इसके स्पिंडल की स्पीड बढ़ा दो. Working of horizontal spindle at 190 rotations. ठीक है, और तेज कर दो. Working at 1080 rotations per minute. ठीक है, मैक्सिमम कर दो. Working of horizontal spindle at its maximum speed, that is 1800 rotations per minute. As you can hear, there is no noise at all. Even at its high RPM also, it is completely silent. Vertical spindle को भी चला दो. Working of both spindle at its maximum speed. The overall working condition of the machine is excellent. All the functions in the machine are working perfectly fine.